Assalamualaikum Khawateen and Hazrat. Today we have all gathered here to discuss how we can all utilize small places and turn them into beautiful gardens. They can be your balconies, they can be your rooftop gardens. Wherever you want, you can put in plants, you can put in pots, and you can make it a very beautiful place. We can recycle small things and we can turn them into really beautiful, wonderful kinds of pots. So not only because in Karachi only I've grown in a house. My childhood has been spent. I think most of the children won't even know how a sugarcane grows. But I have lived my childhood in a house where we did grow potatoes in the flower beds. We had onions growing in our house. We had okra, bhindi or ladyfinger, whatever you people call it. We used to have all that growing in our own homes. And I used to live in Karachi, not in any kind of a village. So we can give that same kind of environment to our children who are present in a large quantity out here. And we do not need any space because after I got married, I've started living in a house which is just a rectangular building with no ground space at all. But what we have is a beautiful roof, and on that my husband, Mr. Muslim Raza, has planted different kinds of vegetables, flowers, you name it, like bougainvillea. We have one area where we can have our tree with beautiful flowers like you see in the exhibition, and there are other areas where you can see vegetables. We have what you call these lemons growing out of big drums, and they're not one or two but about more than 3 to 4 dozen at least in one crop. We have spinach growing out of a bathtub. I mean, you can't imagine, like we have in fact, even when you would have come in, you must have seen this lettuce growing out of water cans. अगर आप बाहर से देखें कि वाटर कैंस को काट कर उनमें लेटस का ग्रो की हुई है, टमेटोज है, एग प्लांट्स है. मतलब कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ है जो आप पॉट्स में नहीं ग्रो कर सकते. अब I think I should move on to the miracle man who has done all this and who has turned whatever you see outside is really there. ये सब हमारी अपनी छत पर मौजूद है और ये खुद उनकी अपनी मतलब सब मुस्लिम साहब की काविशों से है. So I think we should move on to the miracle man, Mr. Muslim Raza, so that he can give you the tips on how he conducts this and how he makes the rooftop so beautiful. So Mr. Muslim Raza.
बहुत शुक्रिया हुमेरा. इससे पहले कि मैं अपना शुरू करूं आपको, मैं चाहता हूं कि आप एक छोटा सा सी ग्लिम्सेस देखें. और उस ग्लिम्सेस से पहले मैं आपको बताता चलूं कि ये 300 मुरब्बा गज का एक घर है जो बिल्कुल एक स्ट्रक्चर उसका सीधा खड़ा हुआ है जिसमें कोई ज़मीन नहीं है. और ये जो कुछ भी आप यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं ये PCHS में ये मेरे अपने घर की छत के ऊपर है. और आप ये समझ लें कि इसको जो पहले एक जंक यार्ड की शक्ल में था, और वो जंक यार्ड भी आपको नज़र आएगा कि उसमें चीज़ें कैसी पड़ी हुई थी और फिर हमने कैसे उसको रिसाइकिल किया. आ जाए आप लोग प्लीज़ अंदर आ जाएं, इधर आ जाएं, बहुत जगह इधर आ जाए. साथ शुरू करें, फिर मैं आपको इसके मुतालिक कुछ बताऊंगा, फिर आप लोग मुझसे जो भी सवाल पूछना चाहे आप पूछ सकते हैं इसके मुतालिक. ये देखें, ये जंक यार्ड है, यानी पहले छत की पोजीशन इस तरह की थी.